Steps for film removal. Remove all of the burner knobs from the front of the range. Using a non-marring tool, score around all edges of the top panel and front console. This includes the top, the bottom, and the sides, as well as around the knobs and the control panel window. The stainless steel finish should now be visible around all of the edges. Starting at the top of the console, place a piece of tape across the entire length. Continue placing tape over the front of the panel, ensuring to overlap each piece until the entire panel is covered. Continue moving down by placing a piece of tape just above the knob openings, adhering it to the underside of the top console. Use smaller pieces of tape to cover the areas around the knob openings, ensuring that they overlap. At this point, the tape should cover every surface with blue protective film. Using a squeegee or other flat plastic item, start at the top of the panel and apply pressure to all taped areas. This will help with the adhesion of the tape to the protective film. After all of the tape has been pressed down, begin slowly peeling back the tape. It is recommended to start on the top console and work from left to right, slowly peeling away the tape and protective film. Once the entire top of the panel is peeled, slowly peel the tape off of the front console. Moving from left to right, slowly peel around the knob rings, being extra careful with the smaller pieces of tape. Once the front face is peeled, the protective film should be removed. If any film remains, use a piece of tape to apply and lift off. Clean the surfaces by saturating a soft cloth with rubbing alcohol and wiping the surface clean to remove any residue.